Let me show you how to knit a newborn hat. Hey, it's Denise from loomhat.com. For more information, visit the website. We're going to be using a 31 peg loom and 60 yards of worsted weight yarn. Go ahead and secure your yarn to your loom, and now let's wrap all 31 pegs. And yes, I broke my anchor peg. We're going to be using the U-wrap version of the knit stitch. And to knit the U-wrap, you're going to half wrap and knit off. Half wrap your peg, knit off, half wrap, knit off. I finished my first row. Now I just need to knit 24 more to make 25 rows in total. After a few rows, you can go ahead and remove the knot off your loom. And keep knitting. After your 25 rows, you're ready to cast off. So get the working yarn and wrap it around your loom one and a little bit more. Then cut the yarn. Get your hook, and from the top, you're going to scoop up and feed your working yarn through every loop. Once you're done, you can take the loops off the pegs. Now it's time to stretch your stitches, and this is very important for your fabric to look correct. Then grab the drawstring from the cast off and pull on it to close the top of your hat, and then bring it inside out. You're going to thread that drawstring with a needle. I have a metal, you can use your plastic, either one is fine. And then feed that needle through those top loops, and as you do that, pull on the string to close it. Every now and then skip a few loops and just keep doing that. I went around 3 times sewing and pulling to close the little hole, and then make a knot, and with your scissors cut your excess yarn. Okay, so this could mean you're done, but I have one more thing to suggest, and that is that you tighten those cast on loops. It's really easy. Look for the drawstring. It's that one. Get the loop that's next to it, pull on it, and then pull the one next to it. And then all you have to do is just keep going. Just pull the next loop, and the next loose loop, and the next loose loop, and just keep going around the entire hat. Now be careful when you get to the last one that you don't pull it out. Just pull that last loop, and then you'll see right here, see? You're just gonna pull that one and feed all that excess yarn through and make a knot. And with that same leftover yarn, you're gonna weave in your ends. So go ahead and get a needle again, and you're gonna thread your needle with that string, and that's what you're going to use to kind of make your little hat look a little better at the end while you weave in your ends. So you're going to do both. Now normally I go inside, and I actually go up higher, but this time I didn't. I go up a few and then come back down and then make a knot, but kind of went kind of short here. And then that's it. That's your little hat. Make one and give one away.